Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert transparent shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop-down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and insert any shape. Now select this shape and go to Shape Format option. Now click this shape format drop down menu and choose shape fill and line. Now you can increase opacity. Now here you can see I insert transparent shape in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.